Jeremy, thank you. Now let's talk about something that's often overlooked and hard to talk about: the grief of losing a loved one. While hard no matter the circumstances, it's especially so for those who lose a loved one to homicide. And now advocates across the state are working to help people feel a little less alone.
Now, Kate Emmerich joins us live from the Sullivan County Justice Center, where efforts are underway right now. What exactly do those efforts include, Kate?
Casey, Sydney, the Tennessee District Attorneys General's Conference and Tennessee Voices for Victims are working right now to set up homicide loss support groups in every district in the state. But first, they need to establish need. So advocates are asking people in the area if they would benefit from these groups to speak up now.
I think victims always need support groups. No one knows what a victim or a victim's family of homicide goes through except that family.
General Staubus has prosecuted many cases over the years. He's well aware of the ripple effect homicides have on families and other loved ones. He says while his office works with families through the court process, he knows they often need more.
Of course, we have victim witness coordinators here in my office that take people through from preliminary hearings, through trials, through the parole process that assist the victims, but it's not the same as someone who's been through the process that you've been through.
While there are groups in the area already, he says there is always a need for more support. Brittany Fleener with Branch House says it's something they've been asked about over the years.
At the time, there were other support groups that were going on that dealt specifically with abuse, but there hasn't been a support group specifically related to homicide loss.
The Tennessee District Attorney General's Conference and Tennessee Voices for Victims are aiming to set up homicide loss support groups in every district in the state. They say they want to bolster support that's already in the community and give people a safe place to speak.
Oftentimes, families who have lost a loved one to homicide, they're uncomfortable opening up to the prosecutor or law enforcement. And these groups are intended to provide an intimate setting where families can meet with other families who have suffered loss.
General Effler says they want to get groups established as soon as possible.
If one family wants to take advantage of these support groups, then we should make it available to them, because as prosecutors, it's our job to provide every available resource that we can to our victims.
Support advocates say it's necessary for those who are often overlooked.
Folks just need to know that there are other people who have gone through similar things and that they're not alone.
I've posted links to those interest forms right now on WJHL.com. I want to emphasize that filling out that form is no obligation. It's simply to gauge interest in our area. And the district attorneys and Branch House both said you can reach out to them if you have questions or need help filling out those forms. Live in Bluntville, I'm Kate Emmerich, News Channel 11.